Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I started out making coleslaw and then I decided to add some cucumbers. So, it's a cool cucumber coleslaw, maybe? That's what we'll call it. For the spices, I have a little bit of mustard seed. I also put some Dijon mustard, a little onion powder, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, salt, pepper, nutritional yeast. And in terms of the brags, you can use the one with the soy in it or the soy-free version, whichever you prefer. And also a little bit of homemade Italian dressing. So that's gonna all go. I started seasoning it up already, but I decided to put it on camera, so I'll come back and show you what that looks like. All right, and it is good. I did try a little bit. So if you decide to add some cucumbers to your coleslaw, I hope that you enjoy it. Love y'all. Later.